Usual,
Yeah.
sabik ang lahat sa ulat tungkol kay Tatay Digong. How is he doing today? How's your visit today?
It was good today. Hello. See you again. Come here. Okay. So today, it was the usual. I got him snacks first. Arrived a few minutes before he arrived. I got him like a selection of food, snacks and beverages to choose from again. And as usual, he went for the Coke, and today he went for the cookie pancake. And as we started talking, first, of course, nangamusta siya sa family. To me, to my mom, and to my siblings. Ganon. So I told them that we're all doing well. We miss you, of course, but we're doing well. And uh, and then I threw the question back, okay, how about you? How are you? He said he's fine, and he reassures me that everything is okay because ever since he's had a very stoic and accepting mentality towards everything that's happening. Um, he said, yeah, because my father, he's a very big believer in fate and destiny. So he said in verbatim, it is written. It is written. So he showed me his palms and he said, it is written. And he he gave me also a piece of advice. He said, you know what? It is written sa buhay. Kung anong nasa palad mo, hindi mo yan matatakasan. So, you just pray to God that he will not give you so much of a harsh experience in life. So I said yes. Ganon. And ayun, he was just munching on some snacks and he really likes the pancake ba yun.
Okay.
So I thought he was hungry. Like I thought he was akala ko hindi pa siya nakakain. So parang I was worried. I said, did you eat today? Sabi niya, yes naman. He had chicken and rice today. So he's doing good. He's fine. And for the most part, he was asking about my siblings and his grandchildren. Uh, Mira, yung baby girl namin, and yung he has a grandchild kasi kay Kuya Baste nga na sobrang kamukha niya. So, ayun, yun yung palagi niyang minamention si Soling, saan si Soling, gano'n, gano'n. And then parang a different kind of light beams on his face pag pinag-uusapan si Soling kasi proud na proud siya nakamukha niya yung bata. So, ayun, he was happy to hear all of that today and he was happy to see me and anong araw ba ngayon? It's
Tuesday.
Tuesday. So, he asked me if he would see me again tomorrow. I said, of course. And ayun, that's pretty much it.
Any chance for Mira and Soling to be able to visit?
Of course, yeah. Children are allowed in the detention unit, but of course we have to look at their schedules first because they are children, they are in school, and we don't want them left behind in school.
Wala naman kayo napag-usapan ng current affairs sa Philippines.
Today, wala eh. I just told him na I forgot kung anong rank yun, top 1 to 3, something, ang Davao City. Still one of the safest places, cities
Second.
second, yeah,
Yes.
in Southeast Asia. So he was very happy to hear that, and he was very proud of Vice Mayor Sebastian Ter. I told him na, oh, you know, Kuya Basta, he is honoring your work and legacy. So he was smiling from ear to ear when he heard that.
CVP, when do we expect a visit po?
Si VP, I don't know pa. I just know that for this month, ano ba ngayon? I'm lost. It's August. I know that we're still arranging all the rotation of visits since it's very hard to, you know, arrange everything since madami kami sa family. So I will still ask them pa rin today.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. May mga first-timers ba kasi she's on the rush again. From the New Yorkers, the first-timers. Nasaan na yung asawa mo?
This is Martina, right?
Sino mga first-timers?
Monica.
Monica and Martina. Picture. Nasaan ang picture?
Hi.
Sino may camera?
Wait.
Yeah. Oh, see. Konti lang naman tayo. We can all have our turn. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, go. Smile! Okay.
Dito, Ma'am Titi. Kanila to. Picture na naman tayo.
Okay.
Thank you.
Husband and wife from New York. Camera mo. Camera.
Yes, folks.
One, two, three, go.
Hey, this is Prince.
Okay, thank you. Dubai, Dubai. Wala na si Dubai. Ikaw.
Smiley face. Kuyawa ba? Ay,
From?
gusto mo nagpalit?
Switzerland, yeah. Yeah, go. Switzerland. Hindi, wala. One, two,
Feeling ko sana yan.
okay.
Hala, ma'am. Dili, naka-first timer, ma'am. Uy, para dili na tagili pa.
Kilala na.
Lalab.
Bre.
Ano na kayo? I'm afraid. And where are you from? Pero kaya? Oh, you're from here. How old are you? 13. We quite often.
Okay. Pakisar dito. Kasi siya yung ano, yan yung ano niya. Ito. Yan yung ano niya, yung painting. Almost inunak pa.
Painting niya.
Painting.
Painting. I love painting.
Yeah.
Wow.
Nag-render. Makes the band.
Nag-improve na yung writing ko. Practice ako.
Ako na rin.
Pila na rito, pila.
Ito na ko lang para ma-complete na siya. This is our VP, kung Mayor Paste, tas
Okay rin. Parinig ka na sa bawat ay.
Nakabayan mo. Pagay sa akin.
okay na po.
Kay update ni
I'm sorry.
Guys,
Nag-uwi lang pero sa kanya. Kasi paintings niya, ginawa ng bahay. Paintings niya.
okay, one, two, three, go.
Dito ako.
Okay, next. Sino next?
first timer mo. Hindi naman sa Facebook. Mo na.
Yes, ano mo.
First timer. Kasi galit pa naman yan siya sa akin.
Marino ka first time yung didelete. Nakita ba?
Sino pa? Okay na ba?
Asa ka ma'am sa
Ah.
Nagbabig ka.
Okay, wala ka ng picture. Kau, Gina.
Kaya attorney mo lang. Sorry? Attorney Nick Langit.
Vine.
Hi, attorney Nick Langit. Happy birthday. God bless you. Please stay happy and a good festival.
Martin Paterno o
Paterno.
Maldita ba?
Hi, shout out to Martin Paterno and Maldita Band of CDO. God bless you and mabuhay kayo.
Thank you.
Okay, go.
Ako na sa market.
Go. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay na. Thank you. You wanna walk her, Martina? Come, let's walk her, Martina. Huh?
Bye-bye, Monica.
Thank you for signing.
Yes.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Ingat.
Pwede mo
Ingat.
birthday
See you.
greetings.
Sige.
Angel Traz, wait lang, ang pangalan is, wait lang, real quick.
Go on picture.
Angel Traz.
Sansa. I wish you the best.
Picture muna silang tatlo.
Okay. Oh, picture with the kids. Come on. Pauwi na sila ng UK.
Oh, yeah, you're going today, right?
Yeah, I'm going to be sad.
No?
Oh, they're going home.
Kuya Marquez. We can put water to this. There's some water. Yeah, so
Where's Titi?
I think this is
Where's Titi? Yeah. Come on, mga bata. Come, kids. Kids. Come. Ayan, o, ayan. With the kids lang.
muli na ni siya.
Siya, okay? Okay, the kids. Yes. One, two, three.
Ay.
I'm going to miss them all. They're all leaving soon.
Martina.
Yeah, they live in one house.
Wow. Kita tagaya? Ako na nabigla.
Going to miss wine.
Ay, tagalima.
Kakuha ko ng tanan.
Ako na iuli. Pangarap ba na akong anak. Ang problema sa CRD, di siya gusto ano ko basta. Dapat Pilipino lang.
Dapat may sino. Kita mo, ganda ng mga,
Guwapa
combination.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye, tita. I'm so bye-bye. Bye-bye, Kini. Be safe. Oh,
Ingat.
bye-bye.
Bye, Kitty.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Ingat, ma'am.
Ingat po. Bye, plane.
Okay.
Asan man ang kayang drive?
I'll see you later, ha? Oo, see you later. Punta mo tayo. Phone ko. But I'll see you there with this, I'll see you there, ha? Okay. Okay, so maraming salamat po. Hanggang muli.